Ever wondered if animals have secret superpowers that we're just not aware of? Well, you're in for a treat. Some creatures out there possess abilities so mind-blowing, they almost seem like they belong in a science fiction movie. From invisibility cloaks to near invincibility, animals have developed some incredible skills that defy what we thought was possible in the natural world. Today, we're going to count down the top 10 most mind-blowing animal superpowers. These are abilities that not only surprise us but also challenge what we know about science. Stick around because you won't believe what these creatures can do. Let's kick things off with the electric eel. This incredible creature can generate electric shocks of up to 600 volts. That's more than 5 times the voltage of a standard wall socket. The electric eel uses this power to stun prey, defend itself from predators, and even communicate with others of its kind. What's really amazing is that it can control the strength and intensity of the shocks, making it a very efficient hunter. If you think about it, this eel essentially has a built-in taser, an electric weapon it uses at will. It's a power you wouldn't expect to find in the animal kingdom, but the electric eel proves us wrong every time. Next up, we have a creature that seems to laugh in the face of death. The immortal jellyfish, scientifically known as Turritopsis dohrnii, has a remarkable ability. It can essentially reverse its life cycle. When it's injured or facing unfavorable conditions, this jellyfish can revert back to its earliest life stage, basically turning back into a tiny polyp. It can repeat this process over and over again, effectively making it biologically immortal. While the jellyfish isn't invincible to disease or predators, its ability to dodge aging is truly something straight out of a science fiction novel. It's like hitting the reset button on life, making it one of the most mind-blowing creatures on Earth. We all know that the cheetah is the fastest land animal on Earth, but the speed at which it can move is absolutely jaw-dropping. The cheetah can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, faster than most sports cars. What's even crazier is that it can maintain that top speed for around 20 to 30 seconds. While it can't sustain this speed for long, the sheer power and agility behind this burst of energy are beyond anything we can match. In fact, the cheetah's acceleration is comparable to the speed of sound in certain situations, making it a real-life speed demon of the animal kingdom. Meet the axolotl, the master of regeneration. This adorable salamander is capable of regenerating entire limbs, spinal cords, and even parts of its heart and brain. If it loses a limb in a fight or accident, it doesn't just heal, it grows a fully functional new one. Even more astonishing, the axolotl can regrow parts of its internal organs without any scarring. Scientists are still studying this amazing ability to understand how it works, and if we can apply it to human medicine. It's as if the axolotl has the power to reset its body after injury, a superpower that could change the future of healthcare. At number 6, we have the pistol shrimp. This small but mighty creature has one claw that acts like a literal weapon. When the pistol shrimp snaps its claw shut, it creates a burst of bubbles that generates heat and pressure, reaching temperatures that are almost as hot as the sun's surface. This bubble collapse also creates a shock wave that can stun or even kill prey. The shrimp can snap its claw at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, making this tiny creature one of the most powerful animals relative to its size. It's a natural superweapon that allows the shrimp to hunt and defend itself with terrifying effectiveness. Speaking of powerful creatures, the mantis shrimp has a superpower that sounds like something out of a comic book. This shrimp can punch with the force of a bullet, about 50 times faster than a human can blink. The impact of its punch is so powerful that it can shatter glass and crack open the shells of its prey. But it's not just the force that's amazing. The mantis shrimp can punch with a speed so fast, it creates a shock wave and a burst of light. Scientists call this cavitation. It's as if the mantis shrimp is punching through the fabric of reality itself. This superpowered punch makes the mantis shrimp one of the most formidable predators in the ocean. Now let's talk about the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This microscopic creature can survive almost anything. It can withstand extreme temperatures, from near absolute zero to over 150 degrees Celsius, intense radiation, and even the vacuum of space. Yes, you read that right. The tardigrade has been sent into space and came back alive. It achieves this by entering a state called cryptobiosis, where it essentially dries out and goes into hibernation until conditions improve. This superpower allows the tardigrade to survive in conditions that would kill almost any other living organism, including us humans. It's one of the toughest creatures on Earth, capable of surviving for decades without water or food. At number 3, we have the mimic octopus, a master of disguise. This incredible creature has the ability to mimic not only the colors and patterns of other animals, but also their behaviors. It can transform itself to look like a lionfish, a flatfish, or even a sea snake, each with unique and defensive traits that keep predators at bay. The mimic octopus doesn't just change its appearance, it also adapts its movements to match the animals it is imitating. If it's pretending to be a lionfish, it will puff out its arms and move slowly. If it wants to imitate a flatfish, it will flatten its body and glide along the ocean floor. This shape-shifting ability helps the mimic octopus avoid predators and hunt more effectively, making it one of the most fascinating animals on the planet. Killer whales, or orcas, are among the most intelligent and coordinated animals on Earth. They possess the remarkable ability to work together in highly organized groups using complex hunting strategies. Some orcas have even been observed creating waves to wash seals off ice floes, or using bubbles to trap fish into tight schools for easier hunting. This teamwork shows a level of intelligence and cooperation that's rarely seen in the animal kingdom. What's even more impressive is that orcas are known to have individual dialects and communication systems, passed down through generations, making their social structure as complex as human societies. They combine brains with brawn, making them one of the most successful predators in the ocean. And finally, at number 1, we have the cuttlefish, an animal that can practically vanish into thin air. This incredible creature is capable of changing its color, texture, and even the patterns on its skin in the blink of an eye, making it one of nature's best masters of camouflage. Cuttlefish can blend seamlessly into their surroundings, whether it's the ocean floor, coral reefs, or rocky crevices. But it doesn't stop there. Cuttlefish can also change the texture of their skin to mimic the feel of their environment, such as turning their skin bumpy to resemble coral. It's like they have a built-in invisibility cloak. This superpower helps them avoid predators and sneak up on prey, making them a true master of disguise. There you have it, the top 10 most mind-blowing animal superpowers that defy science. From the cuttlefish's invisibility cloak to the electric eel's shocking powers, these creatures are living proof that nature can be more amazing than we ever imagined. It's incredible to think about all the hidden talents animals possess, and who knows, maybe there are even more waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this video and were amazed by these animal superpowers, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing content about the wonders of the animal kingdom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.